Welcome back to Car Magica, where we bring you the latest camper reviews, features, and expert insights. Today, we're diving into the world of rugged luxury and expedition performance with the Bimobil pickup camper. Built for adventure and engineered for off-grid living, this camper sets new standards for durability, comfort, and versatility. First, let's talk about the interior. Bimobil is renowned for its handcrafted build quality, and this pickup camper is no exception. Step inside and you're welcomed by a smartly designed living space that maximizes functionality without sacrificing comfort. High-quality materials are used throughout, including durable upholstery, solid wood cabinetry, and insulated composite walls. The seating area easily converts into a comfortable sleeping space, while large windows provide plenty of natural light and scenic views. The compact kitchen is fully equipped with a gas cooktop, sink, refrigerator, and ample storage for extended trips. A dedicated sleeping area offers a cozy and supportive bed, while the integrated wet bathroom includes a toilet, shower, and quality fittings, ensuring true self-sufficiency wherever your journey takes you. Moving to the exterior, the Bimobil pickup camper is purpose-built for extreme conditions. Its boxy, functional design prioritizes strength and insulation over aesthetics, making it ideal for long-distance expeditions. The camper body is constructed from lightweight yet highly insulated materials, providing excellent thermal performance in hot and cold climates. External storage compartments add practicality, while roof mounting points allow for solar panels, spare tires, and expedition gear. When paired with a capable pickup truck, the camper maintains excellent off-road clearance and approach angles. Every exterior detail is designed with reliability and long-term travel in mind. When it comes to performance, the Bimobil pickup camper relies on the proven capability of its pickup truck platform. Typically mounted on heavy-duty 4x4 pickups powered by turbo diesel engines, it delivers strong torque, fuel efficiency, and long-range capability. Advanced suspension systems and off-road tires ensure stability on rough terrain, from desert trails to mountain passes. The camper itself is engineered to remain rigid and quiet, even under extreme conditions. With features like auxiliary batteries, solar charging, and fresh water tanks, the Bimobil camper is built to perform far beyond paved roads. Finally, let's talk about pricing. The Bimobil pickup camper is a premium hand-built product, and its pricing reflects that craftsmanship. Depending on configuration and options, prices typically start around $150,000 and can rise significantly with custom upgrades and a donor pickup truck. While it's not aimed at casual campers, for serious explorers and overland enthusiasts, it delivers outstanding value through durability, independence, and long-term reliability. This is an investment in true freedom and remote travel capability. To sum it up, the Bimobil pickup camper is the perfect blend of rugged engineering, smart design, and expedition-ready performance. It offers a level of independence and reliability that few campers can match. Whether you're crossing continents or exploring remote wilderness, the Bimobil pickup camper is built to take you there. Stay tuned for more reviews, and don't forget to like and subscribe to Car Magica for all the latest in camper and automotive excellence.